This is our physics of sports video on how to pitch a fastball.
By Emma, Ruth, and Josh.
Here's our slow motion video of the pitch.
The materials needed are a glove and a ball.
And here's the footwork needed for the pitch. As you can see, the pitcher's feet start on the mound in front of the pitcher's rubber. Then you turn out your dominant foot and take your other leg, lifting it up to your knee. Next, you push against your back leg and take a big stride forward as you follow through with the dominant leg. And here's a video of the torso.
As you get the ball, you pivot with your torso and bring back your arm. Then, as you go forward, you pivot with your body as well as bringing your arm forward and snap your wrist as you release.
And here are the calculations of a ball being pitched.
The velocity of a ball is calculated when you put the change in distance over the change in time. The distance is 16 meters and the time is 0.56 seconds. And once solved, the velocity of the ball is 28.6 meters per second.
Next is acceleration. You find acceleration by putting the change in velocity over the change in time. Our velocity is 28.6 meters per second, and our time is 2.11 seconds.
When we finished solving, we got an acceleration of 13.5 meters per second squared.
The mass of the ball rounded is 0.15 kilograms, which is equal to 0.33 pounds. Next, we are going to find force, which is mass times acceleration.
The mass is 0.15 kilograms, and the acceleration is 13.5 meters per second squared.
The calculated force, when rounded, works out just to be 2 newtons.
Next, we're finding work, which is force times distance.
The force is 2 newtons, and our distance is 0.7 meters.
When we were done calculating work, it worked out to be roughly 1.4 joules.
In the bottom left corner, you can see that we calculated vertical velocity, which is equal to the acceleration due to gravity times fall. When we substituted our numbers into the equation, we got an answer of 5.5 meters per second.
In the bottom right corner, we found the horizontal velocity, which is calculated by dividing distance horizontal over the time in air. And our answer was 28.6 meters per second.
To find velocity total, we created a triangle with velocity vertical and velocity horizontal and used the Pythagorean theorem, which states that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Then we used velocity horizontal as a squared and velocity vertical as b squared, and found that velocity total was approximately 29.1 meters per second.
And here is the impact of the ball into the glove.
Thank you!